So as you can see, I'm still working on my CYC build. I'm waiting a few bits to come in the mail so I can complete the work. It's also, I don't know if you can see outside here, it's also snowed a bunch here in Canada, which has made it a little bit tricky, I think, to go out riding on this at the moment. I'm going to see if I can get some studded tires and ride a bit more in the winter on it, but it's going to be maybe about a week before I can actually get this one out on the road. So in the meantime, what I've been doing is putting some finishing touches to my 52 volt LiPo pack, and I'm actually now in the process of putting the winter tires on my old faithful fat bike here, and I'm going to be hopefully taking this one out for a spin and seeing how the LiPo pack performs with its pretty much unlimited amp draw. So that's the plan for that at the moment, and I have printed a couple of 3D parts to tidy away cabling, and I'll show you guys that. So I never really liked how I was zip tying everything onto the frame, particularly with brake sensors and things like that. So I've printed a part to do the job for me. So I have the actual magnet part here, which I glued onto the XT brake adjustment part here, and that was doing an okay job. And then what I've created for the brake is this little piece here, and I know I'm quite proud of this piece, although it's super simple, but all it does is it has a little cutaway here, and it slides onto the brake cable here and then pushes on just with compression, and then it locks in place in position, and then you've got the brake sensor running down the middle, and that's just again tucked in there with compression. But that tied it away quite nicely. If anybody wants the G code for this, they're also running the CYC motor. Just let me know, and I can always put it on the CYC owners group page. The second major piece I've been working on this week is a tidy away for all the cabling. It's going to go up here on the front. So there's one side for here, and then there's this side goes on the back, and it just kind of bolts through and mostly form fits the frame. It's not perfect, and you can see I've been modifying it a bit to take place or make space for additional cabling. Once I'm happy with it, I'll probably do another print run. It's my first real attempt to get anything sort of this tight fitting. It's gone okay, but I think I can definitely improve it. Got a bit of a fun logo on there. So yeah, once that's in, all the cables are going to be run really tight to the handlebars underneath, and then it's going to give a very clean look without any zip ties on there. Before I go, I'm still running the competition to give away a Lecky Bling Ring at 500 subscribers and a Egg Rider V2 display at 1000 subscribers, and all you have to do to enter is put a comment on my page, preferably something to do with electric bikes, and the instructions or rules or whatever is in the description below. Cheers.